Right, so this video is about percentage, finding expressing a quantity to as a percentage of another. So we might have two things meaningful to compare with. For example, we could have 3 apples and 45 apples. All right, they are meaningful because they are they are the similar type. So what we're going to do is we compare them, 3 apples. When we compare, let me write it nicely then. When we compare, we will say, the question will look like this. Express 3 apple of 45 apples. Plural. All right, so of is the one is the major here because the word of here, so this is the main character. We use this to compare. So what we're going to do is we're going to have like 3 as a numerator compare with 45. All right, of, again, of is the main character, so it's the main bit of it, is the denominator. And then to change it into percentage, as a percentage, allowed me to be using symbol here. So because want to make it a percentage, that's the idea of the work here. So we will have 100%. All right, what we can do is we cancel out as much as we could. 45 is not a good number. Yeah, it must be. So it's 15. So we have 3 and 20. So we will have 20 out of 3%. All right, if you like to have mixed the number, we have 6 and 1/3%. As percentage, we could have fraction in it. All right, but then a fraction cannot have decimal. Percentage is a bit in the middle, so we can have decimal or fractions. All right, try another one, but when you have different unit, because when you compare, it have to be same unit. So now I have a weird question for you. Express 280 mils as a percentage of 7 liters. All right, they are not the same unit, so what we need to do is convert them. So we do the same method, just a little trick in between. So of, this is the main character. So we have 280 ml over 7L times 100%. This is what we usually do. And then we have to change it into the same unit there. So we will have over 7,000 mils because 1 liter got 1,000 mils, and then times 100%. We do the same thing by cancelling out the unit because they are the same. Try to do as much cancelling as possible so that we don't have to do much. And then it's 4. All right, now we left over, we find the answer will be 4%. All right, 280 mils will be 7%. Will be 4% of 7 liters. All right, we can write the quantity in fraction, we can write it in decimal, but then make sure they are the same unit. All right, that's it for now on finding percentage. See you around.